Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I realized that I did not show much of, or I did not show my kitchen nook, and my family room for the holidays. So this will be a sneak peek of my kitchen island and my kitchen nook. And you will have to tune in on Friday to the Christmas holiday mix collaboration for a full Christmas home tour. But I wanted to share with you my kitchen island and my kitchen nook because I am loving the look of this.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. See the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday.
For the tiered tray, I used a Santa,
now it's time for Christmas,
a tall candle holder that was thrifted, and it has a mirrored look to it, a battery operated flameless candle, 2 Christmas trees, and some picks and some velvet poinsettias that I absolutely love. The only thing I purchased this year was those velvet poinsettias. Alongside that tray is a Bath and Body Works candle and holder. I love using trays on my island because I can simply remove it if I need the space to prep food or to serve food from. I have 2 place settings here. I use this beautiful bling champagne glass that I picked up from Ross. Starting from the bottom to the top, those burgundy velvet place mats I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid less than $1 for them a piece. I'm not mistaken, probably 39 cents a piece for them. The other silver mat I picked up from Ross years ago. The silver charger I recently purchased a couple of months ago from Amazon, as well as the salad plate. The dinner plate came from Home Goods. The napkin ring is from Dollar Tree, and I've had those for many years. And the napkins from Amazon. I just think this is a beautiful setting.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to.
So now I'm going to take you over to my Kitchen Nook table. And I had to coordinate my Kitchen Nook table with my kitchen island.
Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes.
So let me show you around the table.
True, that's why I cheer.
Each place setting is the same as the island place setting. I am loving the burgundy with the silver and the gold. And this table seats 6.
Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy.
Now for the center of the table, this vase or this apothecary jar, because it does have a lid, I just used the bottom. The base was a recent purchase from Home Goods, and I filled it with these beautiful magnolias that I already had. I wanted to change up the floral just a bit, but keeping that same color scheme. And the draping of these florals. These florals came from Pier 1 a couple of years ago. The candle holders, these crystal candle holders, which is a pair, was a recent gift from one of my YouTube sisters, and you'll be seeing that soon, from Style by Kiera, and I'm loving them. And I have another set of those burgundy flameless candles for audience. Very simple setting, but so pretty.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time.
By the way, I did change out my window panels to velvet window panels in that burgundy color, and it just makes this room pop, change the feeling of this space, and I absolutely love them.
And now it's time to have a merry holiday.
So I just wanted to share with you a little sneak peek of what's to come. Stay tuned on Friday for the holiday Christmas mix, or the Christmas holiday mix, hosted by Bree of Bree's Project Book, and her co-hosts are Wani of Wani's House, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and myself, Diva Designing on a Dime, with Kimberly Davis. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope that it has inspired you. If you have not done a tablescape yet for Christmas, to pull out some of your beautiful things and decorate your table. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. And I'll talk to you real soon.
I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring